Hey, here we go, guys. Ready?
If you can't find what you're looking for in a store, don't ask for help. Walk out. Be a man.
Dingooos, good morning. I hope you're having a fantastic morning. I have a very exciting episode for you today. Honestly, probably one of my favorite episodes I have ever made for you guys. We're going to talk all about undervalued slash just tokens that have not pumped yet, right? So the whole crypto market has really seen significant gains. So right now we're going to focus on tokens that have yet to see significant gains but still have good fundamental values. And actually at the very end, I do have one of my favorite tokens that I'm keeping a close eye on for sure. So make sure you stay tuned for it. And now let's go ahead and jump right into some news, because every day there's crypto news coming out and it's important to stay up to date. So hey, subscribe. There's my little plug. Anyways, let's jump into the 1-inch airdrop. So today, 1-inch did have an airdrop. If you used Uniswap in the past, make sure you go check it out. And if you are eligible, you will have claimable 1-inch tokens to claim. Right now I have mine just chilling there because gas fees are too high and I don't feel like claiming. I'm just going to have it chill there until I don't know when, maybe if gas calms down a little bit. But anyways, let's move on to, hey, if you're passionate about crypto but not a dev, you still can get a job, guys. That's what I applied for many jobs throughout my college career in crypto, and I'm not a dev. I never landed a job, but there's a lot of opportunities. Crypto is a growing industry, so I want to recommend you guys to follow a cryptocurrency job forum, Twitter account, etc., etc. If you're really passionate about crypto, it's important to go pursue that passion. To be honest with you guys, crypto and blockchain industry is growing exponentially. There's a lot of opportunity. Who knows who you will meet? A lot of amazing people in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. So go get after it. If you're passionate about it, go get it. Go get it. Life is too short to work that worthless job, guys. Go get it. I know a lot of you guys are passionate about cryptocurrency. Go apply. Cryptocurrency jobs Twitter account. This is just one example. There's many out there. Go find a forum, follow, start applying. Anyway, MicroStrategy confirms ongoing strategy. Yes, MicroStrategy has a strategy to issue debt to finance more Bitcoin purchases, guys. There you go. So originally, several years ago, I thought this bull run, I knew this bull run was coming because it's cyclical. Bitcoin's cyclical. Crypto market is cyclical. It's been cyclical since it came out. And I imagined that we would go to $100,000 and then we would retrace to $30,000. That's what I imagined in my head for 3 years until probably a month ago. And then Elon Musk bought Bitcoin around 39,000 for $1.5 billion of it, right? And now MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor is buying around $50,000. Do you think their trades will ever be underwater? Because that's kind of tough, because I personally don't think so. So it's kind of making me rethink what my plan is. I might just never sell, because when Elon Musk and Michael Saylor and all these corporations and slash CEOs are purchasing Bitcoin at such high prices, really, I don't want to sell. Because at the end of the day, I'm selling to one of these CEOs. I'm selling to one of these corporations that will only increase the future potential of Bitcoin. So I don't want to sell to these corporations, guys. And I would say, in the long term, if you don't need the money, just don't sell, because it's life changing in the long run based off the interest payments. That's what I'm going for, and potential collateral, right? Now let's jump into the price action of Bitcoin, because altcoin season is determined on where the Bitcoin price is located, and the 20-week moving average and the Bitcoin price is pretty much the determination of whether it's altcoin season or not. And bullish consolidation well above the 20-week moving average is what you look for, and right now that's exactly what we're doing. We're well above the 20-week moving average and we're consolidating, not necessarily in a bullish formation, but I do think we are going to go up from here. So, and I think a lot of other people believe that too. And that's pretty much what causes altcoin season, right? So, on that note, let's jump into my first altcoin pick that has not really seen a humongous pump, even though it is a good DeFi project with 0% inflation, because all total supply is circulating. They have partnerships with Hedgic, and it's looking good right now. It's been consolidating for a while. And another reason why I bring this token up is because their mainnet is launching in a couple weeks here, so you definitely could see some price action. I would probably predict positive price action unless there's a delay in mainnet release. If there's a delay, then there will be negative price action. But if they stick to this prediction right here, you will definitely see some positive price action. And low supply, low inflation for Whiteheart. I did a video early this week on Whiteheart. Close ties with Hedgic, cash flows, tangible cash flows, good project. Derivatives will definitely be a part of the future of decentralized finance. And now let's go into my next pick. It's Rally token. So creator tokens are going to be huge, and the reason why I'm saying this because Logan Paul, Mark Cuban, Soldier Boy, etc., are coming out with non-fungible tokens. And if you don't believe that influencers will start adopting their own creator token, you are absolutely insane. There's a lot of utility in a creator token, insane amount of utility, and Rally is one of the leading platforms with creator tokens, even though there is a lot of improvement to be done on Rally's platform. To be honest with you, there's a lot of things they could do that would increase its utility, but at the end of the day, it only takes time to do that stuff. It takes time, and Rally is looking, it's on their roadmap. They're looking to improve. They're looking to include MetaMask and have integrations with, like, say, their blockchain wallet to integrate with these influencers, merch store, etc. So that's what I'm looking for Rally. But really interesting project, low market cap, been consolidating for a while. NFTs are popping, creator tokens will be popping once influencers really get on that grind. And one thing I want to point out, Terry Crews did create an influencer token, so keep an eye on that. Terry Crews might be an influencer you want to invest in. Maybe, just maybe. If you don't know who Terry Crews is, he's a big ass movie star. Does the boob jiggle for Old Spice. So if I was an investor, I would invest in that boob jiggle. Old Spice invest in that boob jiggle? I'm investing in that boob jiggle. Hey, what else can I say? I find value and I invest in that. And I see boob jiggle, I see value. I think my mom watches this. I probably should chill out. Jesus Christ, Josh. Anyways, let's go into my next token. And this has actually been going up significantly today, guys. But anyways, I do still want to bring it up because join me in the frontline battle against traditional finance and traditional government, because this is a privacy protocol. And you know what? One thing that the government hates more than anything else, and that is financial privacy. They want your financial information so they can tax the fuck out of you. And that's why I love blockchain because of that reason to a degree. I know taxes are necessary, but as government jobs increase, government salaries increase, etc., government spending increase, the only option they have is to either print money, which they're going to do, and eventually increase taxes, which they're already doing, but they will do it to more of a degree once they're so far in debt they can't get out of it, which arguably they're already in, but they don't see it yet. But anyways, that's why Tornado Cash is on the front line, because it's one of the only financial privacy protocols built on Ethereum. And financial privacy is a human right. Cash is going away, so Tornado Cash is on the front line. Governing this protocol is on the front line, guys. So join me. I do think it has a lot of room to grow. They also have a liquidity mining program. You can join and earn APY on your Torn. So go check it out. Good protocol. I would advise using it to kind of hide some of your money. That is legal right now, guys. That is legal to hide your money on the blockchain, guys. Nobody should know where you have your money. interact with these DeFi protocols anonymously. That's what it's all about. That's what DeFi is about. Screw these taxes, etc., etc. I have a whole controversial opinion on CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. I'm not going to get into right now, but that's what I believe. Go fight the good fight with being a governance token holder of Tornado and join me in this frontline battle. Anyways, even Vitalik says, had a tweet about it last year talking about Tornado Cash. So, hey, go check it out. It's a good protocol, the only privacy protocol that I know of. And now let's get into Cover Protocol, because I really do believe, even though that pump the last 14 days, I've been holding Cover for a long time since the exploit. It's been going up exponentially, but I do believe it is more valuable and a better insurance protocol than Nexus Mutual. That is just my opinion. I do like Nexus Mutual. Every DeFi protocol, vaults / liquidity pools have insurance on either Nexus Mutual or Cover Protocol, guys. Those are the two main insurance protocols in DeFi, and I would argue that Cover is better than Nexus Mutual for a lot of reasons that I'm not going to get in depth with right now. First off, one thing I want to point out with the close partnership with Yearn Finance, guys. Close partnership. And Yearn Finance just has a Grayscale trust out. Grayscale just introduced a trust where you can invest in Yearn Finance, guys. So stuff like that is happening. Cover, okay, first point. Market cap of Nexus Mutual, $455 million. Market cap of Cover, 67 mil. Low inflation rate, very good project. They're coming out with X Cover, which you can earn interest on your Cover. There's a lot of things you can do with your Cover governance token. Governing the main insurance protocol for all these yield pools and liquidity pools is valuable as well. Cover token is, in my opinion, still undervalued, guys. I think 5K is reasonable. Let's move on to Mr. Scoopies. I want to say Scoobies, but it's Scoopies. I had to read this like 7 times because I kept on saying Scoobies to myself. But anyway, Benteg is the core dev for Yearn Finance, and he says pretty excited about Scoopies project. And what exactly is Scoopies project? And I also try to say this alchemical synthetic tokens. I don't know what this word is, guys. I'm not an English major. I apologize for that. It is not in my DNA. I know what alchemy is, but is this alchemical? Like, what is this word? I don't know. Does this turn me off to this project? Probably not, because Mr. Benteg said I'm excited about it. So go look into this. No token release. So definitely go look into this project. A lot of devs, a lot of Jay Montier from Hedgic, right? PyDAO, Scott Lewis from Token Sets, Software Consensus. I forget where he's from. A lot of devs, guys. A lot of Benteg, PyDAO pulled together. A lot of very good developers are following this project. I don't know exactly what it's doing, but it's something to watch out for. If they produce a token, it might just be a good token to invest in. And also Ribbon Finance. There you go. I brought this up yesterday, but I'm bringing it up again because these tokens have yet to be released, but they have great potential. Great potential. Ribbon Finance is a derivative aggregator. Huge potential. Core devs are from Coinbase, previous developers at Coinbase. A lot of knowledge in that developer base. So go check out Ribbon Finance. All like Hedgic, all the derivative people follow this because they're kind of nervous about a Jay Montier, people from OPYN. Look at all these devs. This is what you want to look for in new projects: is developers, good developers that have been around in the crypto ecosystem. There's a Rari Capital founder right there. So there you go. That's what I'm looking for. Follow devs and see what the fuck they're doing, and that's what you want to do too. Anyways, let's go ahead and look into some DPI because this is an index, and I do want to point something out that I have noticed in all indexes, from DPI to PyDAO to even PowerPool, right? Those are the 3 main index protocols right now. And one thing I want to point out is their meta governance token. So DeFi Pulse is a pool of tokens, of DeFi tokens, and DPI represents that pool of DeFi tokens. DPI does not get voting rights on all the governance token in their portfolio. So they produce a meta governance token, which is index cooperative, right? And in their, what I have noticed is meta governance tokens have different price action than their underlying collateral. So as you can see, boom, straight up shot. And let's look at this right here. Obviously inflation rate has something to do with this, but also it's consistent throughout all meta governance token, guys. And one thing I also want to point out, it looks like it's a delayed, it's a delayed price action. So if you see significant price action within index token, meta governance token seems to have a delayed price action. That's what I have noticed, and I do think that index is about to go up significantly because DPI just went up significantly today. So in the coming days, I do think index will pump, and it's pumping right now, but I think so even more so, maybe up to $40. But we will see. Also, let's go into some NFTs, and ironically, people are forward looking into the NFT markets too hard. That's my opinion. Gen 1 CryptoKitties or Gen 0 CryptoKitties are probably, in my opinion, one of the best buys in the NFT markets right now. It's one of the OG NFT products, and there will be probably one of the Gen Z CryptoKitties are going to go down in history as one of the best NFTs to own. Although unfortunately, I mean, there's going a little pricey, but there's some significantly cheaper, guys. I have some Gen 1s that I bought over 2 years ago. About 2 years ago, I just bought them because they were like $6. But anyways, and I just bought them for fun. But I think Gen 1 CryptoKitties are probably one of the most undervalued NFTs on the market, because everybody's so forward looking into the NFT markets that they forget about their OG NFT market, and that's CryptoKitties. So I would take a look at Gen 1, Gen 0 CryptoKitties for the long-term hold in the NFT markets, because CryptoKitties will be one of the OG NFT things to look out for sure, and something you can brag about in the future. Anyways, one of my favorite cryptocurrency to look out for is Whale. It's an non-fungible token DAO, decentralized autonomous organization. Something for sure to look out for. It's been consolidating greatly. NFTs have cooled off significantly, but I don't think NFTs are done this bull cycle. NFTs are not done this bull cycle. We will have one significant bull run to cap it all off before the bear retracement. And let me tell you what I'm doing next bull run or next bear market. 100%, I'm going to amass a massive non-fungible token portfolio, because that is obviously the future. And I think next bull run we will see a huge non-fungible token rally and bull market, like life-changing money, life-changing percent gain for sure. But Whale is definitely something to look for if you just want like an indexed portfolio of NFTs, right? And anyways, Lark Davis did say something I wanted to well, I missed out on it, but anyways, he basically said that you do not realize any crypto gains until you sell, guys. Until you sell these altcoins, although they are very possibly going to have a bright future. A lot of these DeFi tokens, I do believe, will have a super bright future. They will be overvalued in the short term, and they will see significant price declines after this bull run. Just keep that in mind. And now for my favorite part of this episode. Let's check it out. Hey, here we go, guys. Ready?
If you can't find what you're looking for in the store, don't ask for help. Walk out. Be a man.
Hey, be a man, guys.
If your smoke detector keeps on beeping, don't change the batteries. Chuck it out the window.
Chuck it out
Be
the
a
window.
man.
Be a man, guys.
Speed bumps? Fuck it. Floor it. Be a man.
Be a man. I have like 98% male viewership right now, guys. But if you're a man, fucking subscribe. Be a man. What are you doing?
Speed bumps?
Be a man.
Fuck it. Floor it.
Be a man. Subscribe to Dingo Crypto. What are you doing? Also, join the Telegram chat. If you're a woman, join the Telegram chat. If you're a man, join the Telegram chat. Discord, join the Discord. Great conversations. We don't mess around. And follow me on Twitter and business Twitter. That is all for today. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you enjoyed. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Peace out, dingoes and dingle dingle.